Om aan te tonen dat in de jaren 60 er aardige oldtimey bluegrass liedjes zijn geschreven. Zelfs door de Rolling Stones. Eentje van de Rollende Steentjes. En No Expectations. Wie kent het nummer? Wie kent de plaat Beggars Banquet? Eigenlijk stiekem een van de beste platen. Misschien wel de beste van As We Come To Think About It. En wij spelen daarom graag No Expectations. Die gaat dan bij ons ongeveer zo. Well, take me to the station and put me on a train. I've got no expectation to pass through it again. Well, once I was a rich man, but now I am so poor. But never in my sweet shirt life have I felt like this before. Well, your love is like a diamond. You throw your pearls at swine. And as I want you leaving, you back my feet of mine. Well, our love is like the water that splashes on a stone. Our love is like our music. It's here and now it's gone. Now take me to the airport and put me on a plane. I've got no expectation to pass through it again. To pass through it again. To pass through it again. Ja, dat is wel mooi hè, Rolling Stones.